In this case, the state of Arizona enacted a law to address crimes and other problems related to the large number of illegal aliens in that state. The U.S. government claimed the enactment of the Arizona law was unconstitutional and contrary to the mandate of the Federal Immigration Reform and Control Act of 1986. The decision of the Federal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in favor of the United States government was appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court by the state of Arizona. How would you decide this case? Should the federal government have ultimate jurisdiction over illegal immigration, or should each state, in this case, the state of Arizona? We'll be back in a moment with the answer to that question. Should the decision of the Federal Court of Appeals, which enjoined the enforcement of the state of Arizona's law, be upheld? Yes, according to the United States Supreme Court in this landmark case. The court held that the U.S. government has undoubted power based on an article within the U.S. Constitution, which grants to the federal government the right to establish a uniform rule of naturalization. In 1986, the U.S. Congress, based upon the constitutional power, also passed the Immigration Reform and Control Act, which provides comprehensive framework for combating the employment of illegal aliens and other matters having to do with illegal immigration. This case is about jurisdiction of the United States government to preempt state jurisdiction as it pertains to the regulation and control of matters pertaining to immigration and illegal aliens. The court did recognize that although federal law permits state officers to cooperate with U.S. authorities in the identification and removal of aliens not lawfully present in the United States, it does not allow the unilateral decision of the state to detain illegal aliens based on state law. Remember, it's a matter of law.